Another very important aspect which I would like to share with you all is the management of ledges. Yes, we do it or we get it. There's nothing else that we do it. So again, when we have to take care of these ledges, so what is the way out? So again, first we should have a straight line access to that area, right? Second step, that you will use the files from size 10, 8 and 6 pre-curved with the inner part of the curve. Again, my choice is definers for them. Now this is very important, you have to be with me on this slide, that once a canal is found, file must not be withdrawn lest the pathway will be lost. And this can be the most frustrating mistake made during the endodontic treatment or retreatment. See, this is generally where we face a problem. We have taken a 8-10 number file, we went inside the root canal, and how will you feel that this is a ledge? A ledge will be fed like a sound wall rather than a constriction. Please remember. And most of the ledges are formed on the outer wall of the root canal. If you can connect with me on my first slide of the molars, that you have to prepare canals on the outer wall. So definitely the ledges will be more on the outer wall, right? So once you have a ledge more on the outer wall of the root canal, you need to understand that once you are introducing a file, what will happen once you go inside the root canal? You will hit like a wall, not as a constriction. So there, what you need to do, you need to pre-curve it away from it towards the inner part of the root canal. So let me show you a case. Now, this is a case where you can see, just be with me, on the first slide, if you see here, this is a first molar, right? Ledges are mostly formed in molars and premolars, right? Now, these are the 10 number definers which are pre-curved, okay? So what we have done, first we have introduced the definer and see that where exactly it is going and hitting the ball, that is the ledge. So here it is a ledge. So you can measure the working length here, and after that what you should do, you should pre-curve it from the ledge. On the next slide you can see the pre-curving is done, okay, from the ledge at least, and then the file is introduced again inside the root canal, if you see here, along with the inner wall of the root canal. You have to be with me here, the inner wall. See, my file on the first slide was on the outer wall, right? So when we are exploring along with the outer wall, we will never be able to bypass a ledge. So what we'll do, we'll pre-curve it here, and then we will follow the inner wall or the wall which is following the furcation area, right? So once you get inside, okay, you have to go in an in and out motion. Okay, once you move inside the root canal, what you will feel at the point where the ledge is, you will find a catch point. Okay, now be there. Okay, another important thing we need to understand, we have very much patience and persistence when we are actually bypassing these ledges. It's very important. If because it's a very frustrating situation, ask me, it's difficult, no doubt. It takes time, but don't lose hope. If you are there, you will be able to do it. So what you do, you take it inside, okay? Once you reach there, you will get a catch point. Now at that very catch point, try to do in and out motion. Keep doing it, forget about the irrigation right now. Just keep doing it in and out so that you at least bypass 1 to 2 millimeter of this ledge. Nicely. Once you have done that, you can change the instruments, and then once you go, then you go with the hand instruments 15, 20 and 25, as you can see on the next slide. Go in a step by step with the hand instrument first, and once you have bypassed the ledge completely, do a good irrigation protocol, good activation of endodontics, that is the key to it, and then followed by your rotary files. There you can see. Once you have bypassed it, you can go ahead with the rotary files, whatever you are using. Again, my choice is Silk Complex, which has been there. They are the most good file which I have been using. Another second thing is, you want to complete the preparation with the hand instruments, you can go ahead. The idea is, once you have bypassed the ledges, we should not create the another ledge. That is where I want to come in. So if you feel comfortable to bypass with hand, complete the case with the hand instrument. If you are confident in doing with the rotary file, definitely take them and move inside. So there you can see, and the final results. You can see the ledge is being bypassed, and also you can see the canal anatomy is being very much maintained, and with the lateral canals filling at the apical 1/3. So the obturation is being done with the help of the resin sealers. So I am using a lot of resin sealers also, and also the bioceramic sealers.